There's all the paperwork.
You gotta get it from me.
What do you mean?
Your license registration.
I don't know which.
Registration.
License plate?
Registration.
Okay. But take this. License plate.
Just give me the registration insurance.
Okay. Vehicle registration. No, the insurance should be here. Fax.
You say you don't have your driver license?
No. I mean, you come to my house all the time. It's my Daniel Hernandez, 6ix9ine.
Do you have your license on you or no?
I said no like 3 times.
Spell your name?
Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah. Hernandez.
And what's your date of birth?
5/8/96.
5/8/96.
What else do you need?
Insurance card. I don't have. You know his license number. Hey, do you know your license number?
No, I have no idea.
What's your social? Your social?
I don't know my social.
But you got a Florida driver license?
Yeah, Florida driver.
Okay.
So the address might be New York.
No, I'm saying it's a Florida DL. It's not gonna
It's
be
a Florida state. It's a Florida state license.
Yeah, it's gonna be a Florida address.
Okay,
So you
okay.
okay. So much for leaving. Step out of the car for me, sir. Step back. Turn around for me. And lock the things behind your head. Behind your head.
Warrant for what?
I'll tell you in a minute. Spread your legs wider than that.
Tell me for what, though?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. 1 second. Got a traffic warrant.
So you taking me to jail for a traffic warrant?
Yes, sir.
You up here, bro. You didn't show up for court.
I didn't know that. When for what though?
I guess you received a ticket or something that you didn't pay.
I never received a ticket.
Step forward for me. Step forward.
Yo, Ren. Yo, bro.
Wait, don't tell him that we got the card.
Stay in the car for him. He's got a warrant.
Yo, Ren.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened? A warrant for what?
For a traffic warrant. You heard this?
Oh. No, his lawyer fixed it.
It's in our system. And he has a suspended license.
What? Let me call. The warrant.
Yo, for a traffic warrant. You hear this?
You want to give it to him?
Yeah, to Renardo. Yo, give that to Yailin. Just take it back home.
Okay.
Yo, tell my brother where am I going? Call me Saturday. Yo, Ren, have my bro. I'm going to Palm Beach County Jail. You heard?
Yeah, Palm Beach County Jail.
Concord. 3228 Concord. That's the address. It was issued back in July.
July? That was supposed to be fixed.
It wasn't.
Yo, Ren. Hold on. 154, that paper.
Let me just hit the back seat.
Wait. Car key in my pocket. Yeah. Can you just give that to him?
I'm gonna give him that.
Yeah.
$10.
Do another search. You got that on you, just miss, right?
Put in your shoes.
Take your shoes off. Bring the split back. Like this. Bring that to me. Other one. Alright.
It's the key and whatever in his pocket. I don't know if they're gonna make him spend the night and see a judge in the morning, or if they're just gonna give him a new.
Over to. Who do you want to turn the car over to? Well, they can't drive it. They're gonna have to.
Why they can't drive it?
They don't have a tag on it. You gonna put?
I just showed you the tag.
They gonna put the tag on it?
No, it's a safety protocol. But we right by my house. They driving it right back.
What
to
you mean
the
it's a safety protocol?
safety protocol.
They can't.
People who take pictures of my of the license plate, they run it and end up at my house.
The DMV cleared this, or you got the paperwork for
that?
that?
Oh my God!
No, I'm saying you got the paperwork for that.
It's probably it's in my house, but hold on. I showed you the license plate, right? So that's how. Once I show you the license plate, I'm good. I'll show you the license plate.
You can't.
All right, listen. You know when the license they have it and you have it right in the car. You know what I mean?
It's supposed to be on the car.
No. If I get pulled over and I show you a license plate, I have it. It's just not on the car.
But it's supposed
Every
to be on
car.
the car.
No. It's no.
Sir, I've been doing this job a while.
Right,
It's
cool.
supposed to be
Well,
on the
I'm
car.
telling you, wait, I haven't even left my house. You know that, right? Like, I'm still in my community. I'm in my gated community, right? I'm in my house. They driving it. My house is 4 houses down. You know what I mean? So, like I said, I showed you
So
registration.
you're
I
saying
showed
you could drive on
insurance.
the wrong side of the road and pass cars because you're in your neighborhood? Is that what you're saying?
No, I didn't say that. We're talking about license. We're talking about a license plate.
But it's still.
No, I'm telling you what I'm
Same
saying.
thing
I'm talking about a license plate, right? Let's talk about license plate. I showed you the license plate.
All right, cool. We'll talk about it. Yeah, you got your license?
It's actually.
You have a valid license?
No, she doesn't speak English. She's not
Oh.
here.
You said you have a valid license?
Yeah, I left it in Ben's, so I'm gonna call.
But do you have a good license?
Yeah.
All right, let me get your name. You got a Florida license? All right.
He's gonna have his brother come pick it up. He doesn't want to drive it.
I guess you could say 10-12 with it?
Yeah.
While transporting. If you're good with that.
Yeah, that's fine with me. Brother at home?
Yeah.
What's your name, sir?
We're not a formal.
Do you know your Florida, your
License number?
license number?
No, not
You know your social?
Yes.
Okay, what's your He got he's going. He got to talk to the court. No, I don't want to talk to the attorney. Yeah, we can't talk to the attorney. But your license suspended. It'll suspend it this year.
Not too much. That's not our attorney. He said he fixed it all.
No, your license suspended. You want to see it? Is you Renardo Palmer?
Yeah.
I thought you called him.
Oh no, I didn't call you. No. All right, so he's going to the gun club.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So you trying to call for him?
Yeah.
You ran his license.
He's got a valid
Okay.
license.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take him to the gun club. His bond
Yeah, he's
is
going to jail.
2,000, so he'll call you when he gets here.
Okay.
All right.
Can you just ask him real quick if he remembers my number? I don't want to.
Yeah.
He said, "Do you remember his phone number?"
3
What's your brother's name?
Just some Oscar.
Oscar. Oscar, come here.
Yo, it's 3. The gun's only 2. He got cash on him.
Yeah, they have to process you first.
I know that.
All right, it's not gonna
I don't
be
know
right away.
where I'm going. Miami.
Gun Club.
Gun Club.
It's down the block, right behind Walmart.
Southern and 95.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Oh wait, Southern 95.
Oh, you're thinking of the stockade.
Oh.
3228.
Yo, Ren.
I'm gonna be right there waiting.
No, I know. I said take Yelling to the crib.
Okay.
I have to take them.
Alright, take Yelling to the house, but also my phone.
I have it in my pocket.
Yeah, you got my.
Yeah, you.
No, I'm not saying. I said my phone.
She was already going through it. That's not.
To call Mo-Bait.
already going
Yeah,
through it.
my girl go through my phone.
Okay.
Well,
She go through my phone. I don't got anything. I don't do it. Yo, listen. So, just see,
How this conversation.
exactly. Listen, the longer y'all stay out here, the longer he gonna be out here.
No. I forgot what I say. Oh. Mo-Bait with one S.
Jail?
Just be like,
Just type in 3228. 322.
You're gonna be out tonight.
No, I know that,
Gun
but I'm
Club.
just saying.
Yeah, there we go.
I'll probably get processed for like
Right
3
there.
hours, but I'm saying. Call
So you go
Mo-Bait
around the
and
back.
be like, yo.
It's a number in there. You go around the
in
back.
jail, but just
If
meet
you
up
drive
with
around
me
the back
or
of the
his brother.
jail,
Okay.
Oh, just be with my brother.
Like
Just
okay.
be like,
over the road.
meet up with Mo Babes
And
with
it'll-
one S, not
you'll
just
see.
Mo Babes
Okay.
with mad S's. One S, Mo Babes.
So about 2-3 hours,
Be like,
10,
yo,
10:30.
Their
Danny,
processing is
blah,
5
blah,
to 8
blah, just
5
meet
to 8
up with me,
hours.
Give me that. That's
But
it. Just be like,
who
yo,
knows
whatever
if
you
you
gonna
burned
give me
out,
today,
maybe
just give me
quicker. But I just know their processing is 5 to 8 hours, and depending on if they're busy or not. Because if we get there and they got a lot of people, then it's gonna be maybe take within those 5 to 8 hours.
All right, no problem. Thank you.
I mean,
and tell Yailin to call Shanice and just tell her to come to the house.
Okay.
Because she needs her shit done anyway.
Okay.
So they be like, yo, just come to the house.
All right.
The hairstylist, Shanice, be like, or you call her because she don't speak English. So just, hey, Shanice, Danny got locked up. Can you just come to the house and do Yailin's
Okay.
hair?
You want me to call Miss Osmond?
Yeah.
Okay.
you didn't get your license fixed too.
Yeah. No, the attorney was supposed to
Yo,
fix it all.
you know what's so crazy?
He just called
I
and
said
said.
they issued a warrant July 12th. I said we've
We were
been
in
flying
DR.
in and out the country for I could say from
We
July
even had
12th we
time
flew in
within
and out.
DR.
No,
I
not
just
even
told
that. But they supposed to stop you at customs saying
Yeah.
you got a warrant.
Did I just tell you? I said that, right? I
And
just
not
said
only that, they issued the warrant.
No, customs,
July 12th.
because
You said
it's-
2 days ago they suspended it.
Yeah,
We
on the
flew
7th.
in 2 days ago
I
at
said.
4 in the
I
morning.
just literally told him that whole story.
No, but I told him the reason why customs didn't see it because.
Oh, yo, just I don't know where I'm going, so just get the information.
Our attorney was supposed to reinstate us yesterday. So I don't know why.
Y'all need to have a
Watching me?
Yeah, he's like crazy right now.
Well, yeah, I might have to take some money back from him or something.